of the market on are they above or below the 15-minute EMAs, and are they, what's breaking down, and that kind of can feed into the, if you're trading ES, gives you a little bit better context. Yeah, I probably can share it, but it's probably a little crazy. I don't even know if I can. I think it's too many windows. Entire screen.
What kind of computer do you guys use? So I'm doing all of this that you see on a MacBook Pro that I bought this year. And then I have a second laptop that's hooked up to 2 other monitors where I have multiple other things going on. Discord, news terminal, charts. I actually can see Brady's book map over there. I have the YouTube stream pulled up over there. Verizon layoffs.
Yeah, I'm on Windows. I got so I got a 49-inch big panel, and then I got 2 32s, and then a 15-inch all in one spot.
This thing I want to do is add I think I want to get just a little smaller vertical monitor that I can put this book map on.
Yes.
Book map seems to work pretty good on the vertical.
Oh,
yes, it does.
What's up, guys?
What's up,
Yo, yo.
What up, what up?
Yep, Google just broke new high of day.
Yeah,
I shorted NQ earlier. Ooh,
Really
this
nice
15 minute on
that.
Google looked good. Look at that. There was a KC special in this 15-minute right here on ES. That was my confluence to short NQ. I'm sure you saw it. This here, let me
Evening Star
right here. Right
here. Yeah, and then go to your 5-minute and take a guess on where it said short. Guess which candle? Right there.
Probably 11:30.
Yep. That candle right there.
Yeah, so
came in.
Literally what I did was after this candle printed on this next candle on the 15-minute, like after 11:30, this pushed back up a little bit, and then I was just like watching NQ the exact same time, and it was like right here. It pushed up into like 850, rejected, and if I go to my 5-minute, it rejected right here off of the pivot point at 850 and pushed down. I got short here, like 841, I think was my average. We rode it down pretty nicely. We saw this and we saw this that me and Will just went through, closed out the rest of the runners.
Nice.
And we had a pretty decent trade there.
Yeah, it printed the short signal on NQ at 845. 29, 845. And it looks like it dropped like 140 points.
Ooh, Lucid down 46%. Ouch.
Yeah, are they about to hold this?
Yeah, see ya.
I think it's
They
halted
already did
now.
like twice.
Did they?
Yeah.
Damn.
On the taking them private.
So I'm in Palantir call swings. I've already trimmed some out, but I'm looking for larger move still on Palantir. The other one is NVIDIA. I think NVIDIA can be a good candidate as well.
You know what, Ryan? We should have jumped in that NVIDIA earlier. That would have been a good...
Ooh, I trimmed my iron inputs.
That was the trade. That was a good trade. They're just strong all day.
Look, IRN down 3% in an up tape.
Yeah, my pledge.
What does that tell you happens if we get full back day?
45%. I think Amazon can go here. Amazon's been in 6 different squeezes all day. It's firing the 5-minute now. It still has all the other ones.
Does look good on the 4 hour, right above the 9. You know, we get above like 250 again, it could run.
Yep. I like it. I like it.
You guys get 12 more people to subscribe to the channel. Wolf Trading. I will give away some free prop firm accounts today. Need 12 more. There's 300 plus of you in here. Surely some of you are not subscribed. Once again, turn notifications on. You already know I go live one time a day at the opening bell. But YouTube rewards it. Yeah, get those burners out.
Yeah, Amazon vaults at 250 is looking good. Let me go check the heat map real quick for bull flow on it. 250.
The high of day was the 20-day exactly on QQQ, by the way. God, poor Lucid. This thing's dead. RIP.
Yep, bye-bye Lucid. They got loose with it, and now they're gone.
Getting loosey-goosey.
That was the target on ES, like 93, 94. So if you were long from down there, there's your spot.
And here's the ES book map. It just popped up a little bit down below at 75.71 again, but
It's light.
still a lot higher.
It's an ugly candlestick setup right there on a 5-minute.
Rivian falling with Lucid.
Yeah, I shorted it. Bought some puts.
Oh, Amazon.
Oh, God. Yeah, Rivian's getting smoked.
Yeah, down 2% now.
Think there's any flow.
Yeah, Lucid still halted.
Man, they're smacking 717s on Amazon. They're selling farther dated puts. That's where a lot of the heavy flows at.
For Friday?
No, they're buying a few of like the 250s for 717 on Amazon, but they're selling puts for December 2027 and
Whoa.
January of 2028.
Selling puts? Wow, that's somebody.
Yeah, 220 strikes to be exact for January 2028.
Somebody's trying to take a big earnings move on stock moves higher and collect a bunch of premium because you're going far out.
Yeah.
Could be.
The unusual flow. What is it unusual for?
Yeah, if you go to Amazon and click on whales, should see
So I
it.
was like going through the different categories here.
So there's those, the top
Yeah,
one right
sold
there.
puts, double sold puts, and it looks like they
Oh, the
hedged it with sold
250s?
calls. They sold two. No, this is
The
a
calendar.
this is a multi. This is like a multi-leg calendar, isn't it?
Yeah, but
Yeah,
they're like,
so you-
but look at the times. The first entry though is at 9:46, and then the other ones don't come in until 11:58 and 12:33.
Yeah, these two were put on together. So they
They're
sold.
it's a
all-
butter. It looks like a butter. Well, it's because look at the dollar amount. So you got it's a. What are the strikes? 250.
all the expirations are
They
different as
sold
well.
220s for January of 2028, and then they sold 250s for January. I'm sorry, June of next year. And then somebody sold January of next year calls.
Mm-hmm. And then if you do 100K plus orders only,
So it's a calendar. I'm trying to think about this.
Look at all
They
those-
sold further out.
all those 220s right there, you'll see the 220 put right there for January 21st, 2028.
Yeah, look, if I isolate the contract here,
It's like $3 million worth.
yeah, look at this, multiple orders, and these are all pretty close, within an hour of each other. Sold puts, sold puts, sold puts, all for the same.
That last
strike.
order just came in 5 minutes ago. That's what kind of caught my eye. I was like, what is going on?
That's 1.5 million just in those two from the last. What's the last hour? Yeah. Interesting.
Someone just bought $3.36 million worth of INTC calls. For next week, 110s, they bought 4,900 contracts for $685 a piece. RIP
All
to
right,
that dude who
guys.
spent $5 million on NBIS calls.
I gotta run and pick up my son at the day camp, so I gotta jet.
Appreciate you, brother.
It was a good morning. Caught some good trade to the downside, one back to the upside, and I think it was a slow
Yeah,
trade. We got some good trades.
Had a good trade on oil, and then good short. Oil still, I'm still sitting in those runners from this morning.
Where's it at now?
But I hit all my targets, so it's just staying in the trade now.
Holy lucid.
Yeah, toasted.
Jesus.
280.
What if these
Crater.
buys are just closing of positions? But they sold puts. Lord of Wall Street, they were
Tesla
selling
getting hit
puts.
too? No. But Rivian's getting smashed.
SK Hynix headed for new high of day. 2x leveraged SKHX. Maybe do we get a 25% move from open? Shout out. Here's the ticker if anybody wants to see it. There is the 1x short from leverage shares as well. If you're trying to hedge a long position or something, or if you're just a trader, either way. SKHZ is the 1x short from our sponsors over leverage shares. Shout out.
Shut up.
All right, guys, I'm going to run. I'll catch y'all later.
Later, Will.
Let's see, boys.
See you, Will.
Mita. Palantir. Oh, new highs. About to hit my 135 target here. Nice little 5-minute bull flag off the EMAs right when it came on live stream, pushing up. See where we're at on these calls. Yeah, there we go.
KC Will was getting his tickets booked for NYC. He's going to be out there with us.
Let's go! Can't wait to meet the man, the myth, the legend.
So I was like sitting there. I was talking through it with Will. I was like, look, I like right when you started trading on Spaces is probably around the time I started listening, like 2023.
Look at us now.
And then like I listened to you, and so the reason I was thinking about you and Maple, I haven't met you yet. I haven't met Maple. Obviously, I haven't met Paper or Sim. I met Knots.
I met Knots.
Frankie. You remember you guys went to something in like Florida?
Yeah, I met Knots.
Well, was there? I think. I think Josh was there.
Yep. Oh, there it is. Palantir, baby. You can trim. Here we go, baby. Yeah, I met Knots. Met not Will, not Josh. Sharky. Met some small little fucker. Like anymore. We had a good time.
Have you met Jordan?
I've never met Jordan.
Never met Jordan. Wow.
I haven't met Gob, Jordan, you, Maple. I did meet Evan. He did come to a bar in Florida, and I met him. I did.
There you go.
He looks exactly how he sounds.
He looks exactly what I think. Ooh, big order just popped up on the book map. 382 lots just popped up here.
I can't wait for us to dox him, though. It's going to be great.
Oh, it's going to be fantastic. Evan looks exactly how I thought he would look.
Yeah.
Like, honestly, like, just like when I met Evan the first time, I was like, yeah, that's what you're supposed to look like. That's the stock market news.
That's what you're supposed to look like.
It is. And he's incredible. Like he's you know what's crazy? He is a sneaky athlete. Even though he's like nerdy in a way, he is a sneaky athlete.
I'm getting an alert on ES and Q.
There's now 500 orders above us on NQ here. Trying to keep it down in the range. Here, let me show book map. You see these two giant orders right here? 382 and 201. Right at 875 and 686. Or 860. What did I say? 868. Wow. No, Evan doesn't wear glasses. Evan kind of looks like a dad, but like 10 years before you become a dad.
I trimmed PLTR, 365 on the contracts.
ES back to Ivy High. SPY sitting right on Ivy High. Two bananas is what I just heard. Yeah, Lord of Wall Street. That's one thing I watch for. So like as soon as those pulled up, you notice like some people said, "Oh, there's a ton." I mean, they probably still get up there, but if you see like there's 600 people or 600 lots for sale above you, you're probably thinking, I don't probably want to have new buys going into that. So yes, you see that happen a lot of times too.
If we sell, I think it's because of IWM.
IWM's been sideways for like 4 hours.
Yeah, I'm waiting to see if this squeeze is going to fire, if it breaks this spot, and then if it just kind of drags spine cues down a little bit and keeps us more sideways.
My 10-minute looked like it wanted to like fire upside. Now it's starting to roll just slightly. Let me put that on the screen. You can see mine's green as can be, but it was moving up down here, and then now it's starting to kind of curl downside. But if this candle pops up, this will cross upside for the squeeze to break on the 10-minute.
Like NVIDIA 225s for the end of the month.
I do think NVIDIA keeps getting a bid until up into these earnings for sure. 10 bagger on Lucid puts, Jinx. There you go.
Damn.
I'm glad I called out that news like as soon as it happened. I'm glad somebody jumped on. Kind of kicking myself for not doing it. Yeah, I know a few of you guys in the chat grabbed it. That's why I try to call out the news as quick as I can for you guys. There's an opportunity. I don't always act on it myself, but see what these guys do up here. There's no orders below us at all. That's the other thing that I keep noticing. There's no GAX or Gamma really positioning below us anymore. SPX, they cleared out below us. It's just, look at this. It's all above us. This makes me think that we're going to grab these orders and go higher.
Dude, this Palantir daily candle right now is gnarly.
Damn.
Oh, yeah,
Both
baby.
the previous 4 days?
Yes, sir. And then I want it to just freaking fire. Just straight ripper after this day. I want to see a matching candle tomorrow. Just run to 140.
Could get it too, especially the way software's acting. Software was down 3% pre-market and was up almost 2% a while ago. IBM like
these videos for a starter. I kind of want to do like farther expiration on these two in the main account.
clear 212 on the video. It should be 216 pretty quickly.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yes, Palantir. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh. Gnarly. Fuck yeah, baby.
That I took France.
50%.
Got a profit boost. for just a little one. Can't stand Spain.
It's gonna be a good match.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good one.
Jesus, Palantir's daily candle is freaking gnarly. What's up? 4 point. Oh, it's up 420 on the day. Let's go. To keep me from getting to you, baby. Cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough.
SMH wants new high day too. Tell me this doesn't look like it's about to launch.
I'm kind of hoping so. Q's looks the best.
I mean, every way I look at this thing, it looks like we're going to go higher. SPY, QQ, or SPY and SPX both just everything above us is built. There's nothing below us. QQQ doesn't have as much. You're long Rivian and Lucid.
I was thinking about buying Rivian for a day trade down here.
Is it under 15?
I had a level at 16.76. I don't know why, but I have a level there. I thought about it.
Daily EMAs.
But look at NVIDIA on a weekly. and tell me I shouldn't full pour all 3 of my kids' college funds into this.
Well, yeah, I don't have to look at it to tell you that.
Just
but-
look at this setup on these candles right here. Just tell me it doesn't want to just bust straight through this. Got that back test in the hole with a Morningstar reversal so far. A strong candle for this week off the EMAs. Just over 212. Just send it to new all-time high. New all-time high by what? Late August, early September. Busted. Bussy.
Tell me we don't want to go take out this high of day on NQ right here.
You want to take some Amazon calls with me? Thinking it's just going to rip to a new high of day and bring Qs up?
I feel like everything's about to just level up right here.
You still have runners from the NVIDIA 826-230s. Let's go. Send it.
I hate breakout trades, but I really want to just be long for this.
I had orders earlier. I thought about going long NQ at 720. And I said, you know what? I'm going to wait a little bit lower, around like 670, 660. Nope. Went to 720 to 700. And now we're up like 150 points.
Yeah, I was looking for like 700, 690 to get back to the midpoint. But when I saw SPY just dead, did you see the low of day, or not low of day, but the lows on SPY on that like 5 candle?
Oh, I have a zone right there. It's right at 750 cycle level. They just all held.
Like, look, it's
was
750.
hilarious.
Multiple. I mean, what is this? A quintuple bottom on a 5-minute chart? Casey, what do you think of the TE chart? I already gave my thoughts. It does not look good to me.
TE?
Yeah.
It just ripped a little bit on some volume.
It should be
Deep. I mean, okay. I see your vision on the weekly. I see your vision.
Look, they removed these orders and they moved them up higher. They're trying to bait price higher here.
I'd imagine you're thinking about calls on TE. I will tell you that for 9/18 expiration, your $10 strike price is your highest level of gamma right now. I mean, stock's under $7, which is insane. Let me check the heat map. Yeah, I mean, Bullflow, Bullflow says the same thing too. That heat map at $10 for 9/18. I mean, I see the vision, and the RR is there. I love dumpster diver setups, don't get me wrong. And this definitely looks like a dumpster diver setup. Those contracts are cheap too. They're under $90 a piece. A little bit of volume on them. Not bad. You're getting a 5-minute sell signal starting to come in. Oh, it's going away.
Yeah, I'm gonna try a long here. I think we just got the hourly close.
Oh, that 5-minute candle just started. There's still 3 minutes left. Oh, short Discord. There you go. Dude, I think Amazon's going to freaking make a new high of day. I could be tripping balls, but I don't know. I got a weird feeling about Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
My name is Jeff. Anybody want to take some Amazon call autos or just a day trade with me? You could swing it, but
I do not like this T chart. Maybe if it interacts with the 200-day. I think you can long on this wick right here and shoot for new highs of day on NQ.
all right, fuck it. Amazon 250 calls July 17. They're 210 right here. Let's go for a little day trade.
Well, yeah, if the market cooperates, Amazon does look pretty good. Tesla ripping off the lows here. Nvidia is about to make a new high again.
It's got a weird feeling. Oh, Nvidia is popping up a little bit.
Here we go.
Oh, that's a nice bottom wick on SPY.
It is. Let's go find all this liquidity up here. Let's see what these 1,500 lots are wanting to do. You can also watch and see if they scram. And they're just drawing it higher. The other thing you notice is it is just trending up here.
Palantir is still grinding with volume.
You are stuck right at this 75.50. Well, apparently the Lucid 2X is still trading while this is going on, while the halts are happening. Big Jordy, what's up? Rivian just had a big bounce.
What happened with Lucid?
Did Rivian get a bounce?
They're either going to file bankruptcy or go private.
Oh no, Rivian!
Wow, Lucid didn't last very long, man.
Freaking Rivian! Right.
I remember the day this
level.
puppy IPO'd, man. She gone. That's rough. That's rough.
I'll be back at like 3:15, guys. I got to run out.
Sounds good, Frank.
Later, Frank. Weeble poppin'? BULL? Oh, yeah. Nice pop.
The 2-time leverage ETF is at 18 cents on Lucid.
Oh. Cooked.
Look at this. It went from 4 cents to 18 cents right now. Lucid denies the report. Guys, this LCDL might fly right here. 20 cents, you probably double your money here.
I'm doing it.
Oh my goodness. I can't watch.
If you're a real DGen.
If you're a real
That-
DGen, you would buy 5,000 shares right here. Let's fucking
That's deep in the DGen rabbit hole, bro.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Send it.
NVIDIA new high.
Fucking send it.
Come on, break over this level and squeeze us.
No, not calls, just shares.
No, do not buy calls on a 17
Fucking-
cent 2x leverage ETF. Do
You
not.
nut jobs.
Dude, just grab a lighter and go light your money on fire. Damn, dude, that thing was trading at 5 cents.
That's insane. And it just hit what, like 18 or 20? That's stupid.
Let's see, let's pull up Seeking Alpha and look real fast here at this Lucid. Record low after reports circulated that the company is considering bankruptcy or take private deals. It faces quality control issues with its Gravity SUV and mounting cash burn. Less than $1 billion in cash. Good Lord. Down 85.9% 1 year. That's crazy. Jordan, you ever use Seeking Alpha?
Absolutely. You know, this is actually funny enough. I didn't know like Seeking Alpha was the spot to be back then, but when I first started trading, this is the first like news platform I ever used. And I always kept it in the rotation. I've always used it. I mean, if I know nothing about a ticker, great spot to get a good idea of like what the hell's going on, you know, because we have a lot of names that are popping up on spaces all the time. And you guys know me, I only trade NQ, ES for the most part. So I don't know a lot of these tickers that are being thrown around. So Seeking Alpha is definitely super useful. It's kind of like they have like a breaking news section, like the trending news.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of looking at some of the trending moves here.
It's not a, you know, it's not a like a Benzinga Pro quite, but in terms of like the news side, but there's some good news data there that's popping out. So
Mag 7. Oh, I can just hit Mag 7 and see that this is pretty cool. Don't we
Yeah,
have
I
like
mean-
do we have like something for the like a link or something for Seeking
let
Alpha?
me check. Let me see
I know like
something.
the other day they were running a big sell, so I was just like, hey, here's some of the, if anybody wants to get signed up for Seeking Alpha.
I have
Double
it.
check and see we can get that in the chat. But this
I have it. I'll get it in the chat. Give me 1 second.
yeah. I think it's a really good tool. I really do.
Lucy got halted to the upside.
I usually have this pulled up on my other, like, that's why you saw me just like drop it in, because I usually have it pulled up on my other tab group just to not,
I mean,
The
like,
video
whenever
alert.
I'm looking for
go-to
news
spot.
and stuff like that, it's one of the things I go to.
Yeah.
Are my calls already up on the video? Oh,
Video 212, new high of day.
Hey,
Q.
video.
God, NQ just looks like it's just loading for this move.
There's volume
This
behind
unhalt-
that too.
You get unhalt on Lucid here and this thing pops 50, 100%. I will be so
We'll
happy
see.
for you guys.
Yeah, but shout out to the boys of Seeking Alpha. It's funny. That was like one of the first news platforms I ever used, and I didn't realize like how big they were. And then I guess like 6 years later, we're working with them. It's pretty cool. I like that.
Eli Lilly just got FDA approval on something.
All right, new highs.
Did I post the link for...
Dude, I wonder what the volume on this is today. Oh my
What's
god,
that?
look at all the volume. Look at all the volume on this down here. This LCDL.
I'm gonna send you a screenshot here in a little bit if it starts to go.
I am just fascinated by this book map thing that I finally got set up here.
I want to see if it can pop up
Yeah,
to
is
like
it all-
2425 real
You got
quick.
her all set up?
Yeah, I haven't done all the. I'm gonna have to do some of the training stuff on it. I need to get with Brady and kind of fine tune some of the settings on here.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, it's live and it's working. And it looks. You saw it, didn't you? It looks great. Look at all these orders just waiting to be grabbed up here too.
Yeah. So before you even tell me where those orders are, I didn't even look. I assume it's pretty heavy from 29,956 to 30,069, that area. Would I be
Well, so
completely
these
wrong?
are right now. You have huge orders just sitting right above our head. This is at 890,
Oh, okay.
902, and 910.
How big of a time frame can you look at?
I mean, I can zoom out pretty far.
Gotcha. Because overall, like we're doing exactly what I thought last night during stop picks. I was saying I want us to see some bullishness from the gap we filled from Wednesday to Thursday last week, and go to the new week opening gap from the Sunday's price action. And
Here we go.
we're getting close. We're
Trying
that's
to
my
pop it up
that's my
here.
full target for the week.
Come on.
Come on, Amazon, just fucking.
The whole market. Just give us some juice right here. Let's
know.
squeeze.
NVIDIA, that entry was a back test of previous day high. That's the reason why I took the calls right there. Just was waiting for a dip earlier. It never gave it. We ripped above it. That was the first time back tested. So I grabbed some there. Safety trim up here too.
This guy right
Orders at
here.
920 makes sense though, because that's CPI high. That was my target
Yeah.
for the long today. Didn't quite get there.
Look, this guy right here. As soon as price started coming up close, the guy scrammed. And what I've been watching is these guys. Like here, I can look back at this, Jordan. Hold on. See where these big orders were originally,
Mm-hmm.
and they've just been moving up.
Mm-hmm.
Like when price gets close, they're like baiting price higher right now. They're just.
I think that's gonna
Everybody's
just
just
continue
drawing it
happening
higher.
until that gap gets filled, but we'll see.
Yeah, I'll be surprised. I want to see if these guys actually fill or not, but I feel like it's just going to keep drawing up here to these guys.
Mm-hmm. I kind of want them to wait though and leave it for tomorrow, so I can just wake up and I already know my bias. Nothing's changed since today. Just play into that gap, but we'll see. Beautiful moves from the lows though yesterday.
Lucid
We
News
really
is
held
hitting
that area
Bloomberg wire right
beautifully.
now.
All right, on safety trim here at 272.
And there's the same spot on ES. Just had trouble with. Let's see if ES looks any different. What platform is it? This is Bookmap. It's just called Bookmap. So that's what the whole platform's called. There is a huge order. How many is that? There's 1,000 lots on ES sitting up here too.
I want to see Amazon get a fat green stick before market closes today. Fire one of these squeezes. Oh my God.
ES could run into trouble right there. Yeah, and guys, I'm getting discount stuff set up for everyone. For Bookmap, for Bullflow, for all that stuff. Like there may be some tools that are for you, some that aren't. But what I want to do is, if it's for somebody, even if it's for 10 of you, I want to make sure we have something for everyone. Guys, 8 more subscribers. I'm giving away a few prop firm accounts. 8 more.
I'm up 18% on LCDL. Pop it, baby. I want to see it pop up to 24.25. I'll sell a few thousand shares up there. Come on now. There we go. Come on now. Yeah. There we go, JT. There we go. Oh, they gonna make me trim. All right. All right, I sold 1,000.
And Tripper, we have said multiple times that Bookmark is now going to be a partner of the show. And we always disclose when and which companies are partners of the show. Always.
Amazon alert just went off. It must be popping to 247 after those calls. No idea what my calls are at. I don't think I haven't pulled up yet. I'm trying to send this alert out for LCDL. Boom. Let's go. There it is. 24.5 popping up. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna sell another 1,000. We stopped at
Bottom
entry.
we can go
Secure
here.
trade.
We're just trying to get y'all a discount. We can just get Bookmap for free and keep it for ourselves if you really want, but we're just trying to get y'all a
was the
discount,
question?
you know. No, you're good. Somebody was like, you have to disclose you're getting affiliate commissions. I was like, we literally disclose that these are all partners of the show every single time. Ugh.
Oh, it's just the entropy guy that's just
Yeah, it's that
miserable,
guy.
just a miserable old bitch that's just worried about life, just living a terrible. Good
Must
Lord,
be hard, man. That must be freaking
dude! I can't
tiring.
imagine waking up, looking at myself in the mirror every day, and just being miserable.
genuinely exhausting.
Let's go, Amazon.
Yes.
That's right.
That was funny, Amo.
Pop
He
it,
still
Amazon.
still tunes in every single day.
Come on, baby. 247.50.
Here we
Come on.
going. What I told you around 17 cents on this thing. We're already at what, 24? Let's go. Let's go. I got that news in the ear quick.
Come on, pop up a little bit more for me, baby. Pop it up.
The 2x
Pop it up.
long. What are we doing? Oh my goodness.
Oh, the LCDL. Let's go.
Dude, that is brutal.
Dude, I got in late on that thing too. My average is 18 cents. I just sold some at 24.50. All right, I'm gonna take a trim here on Amazon. You can do whatever you want, Daddy. I can tell you what I'm doing, and that's trimming into resistance. Just up, I mean, fucking send it. Here it is, 247.50. Boo, 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 boo. Amazon, big fat green candle, baby.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Come on, Amazon. It went green on the day too.
Yes, let's go. All right, first target just
Sorry,
hit.
I've got this lucid thing because I know some of you guys bought this at 17 cents and it's up already.
Let's fucking go. Who wanted
This is
to
almost a
take the day trade with
40%
me?
move.
Look, what time did I put it in the chat? Let me see. I typed it in the chat. Zach told me he was balls deep in Amazon right there. Let's see. I said at 2:17, I want to see Amazon get a big fat green stick. It took 3 minutes, 4 minutes.
That was crazy how fast that just played out.
That's what we love to see.
That's what I like. There you go, Frosty Dog. Says thanks for the Amazon, KC.
Yeah. Dude, if I get 100% on these LCDLs, we got to do a giveaway or something because this is dumb. There's no way I'm going to get 100% on these shares.
You don't think, dude?
Oh, no, I think I can.
It didn't even have to go that far to get there. Well, it's not even like and it's not that this is a penny stock. This is a leverage ETF, and you've got them refuting a claim, and it's the scenario here. It went down to pennies. Look at the volume on that thing. That thing is crazy.
Freaking gnarly.
30 minutes until World Cup. Ooh, buddy. We are 4 subscribers away. Somebody pull out a burner and let's get there. I don't even care. I want to see 5,000. I want to give away some accounts.
All right.
Except for Entropy, I don't want you to subscribe. I know you're going to show up and watch every day. Either way, because you can't stay away. I live rent-free in your head. Actually, Entropy, I should give you an account just to pay for the free place in your head that you're letting me just stay and live in. Is there any timeline on Lucid Unhalt?
It's still halted?
I don't know, but this thing's moving.
Let me know when we get up to 30. If it gets to 30 cents, I'll cover some more. Let's go Tech Wood. Quick $500 on Amazon all out. There you go. Yeah, that was a fun little day trade. I mean, I still want to see if we can get some more, but I'm not going to let it cost me money now. Great work. Nice work.
2 subscribers away. 2 subscribers away. I'm going to give away some Lucid accounts just for this Lucid trade. Let's see, oil's gonna settle here in a few seconds. By that I mean like 112 seconds. That was good math. Did we get it? Did we hit it? We hit it! Boom! Let's go! All right, guys, I am about to give away.
Oh, 42%. Amp told me if I bought this, I'd double my money. Let's fucking go. Where's JT? JT! Oh, we're banging. We're banging.
What is it? Amazon?
No, LCDL. I'm up 45% now.
Oh.
We're going for 100. We're halfway there. Like Bon Jovi, baby. Oh, it's popping to 30. I'm up 52. Amp told me if I spent $1,000 on this, I could just double my money this afternoon. So,
Bro, I'm gonna start charging you taxes on these these trades that I'm getting.
all right, let's go ahead and sell some more here. We're about to hit 30. All right, sold some more, 55%. There it is. There's 30. Oh, shit. NVIDIA 215 calls coming in again for 724 expiration. These were getting hit earlier.
All right, hold on. I'm getting logged into the dashboard here. We're about to give away some accounts. Where's LCDL? Oh, it's almost a double.
Yeah. Uh-huh. I just sold some more.
Please don't be dumb, guys. If you're up 80% on something like this, please
Yeah.
take some profit. You hear Casey selling some. Scale and trowel. All right, guys, who's ready for the giveaway? 5,000. Let's go. Wolfpack, 5,000 strong.
Give it like a few minutes. I'm making a post. We're gonna get some more people in here. Hold on.
I'm giving away more than one. First one's going to all the people in here that
Okay.
just subscribed. Go ahead and
Okay.
make the post. I'm going to give away more than one account. All right, guys, for this first account, so I'm giving away 50K on this one for you guys that have been here hanging out with us. We're not going to let people come in from outside and get this first account. Everyone that types in 5,000, 5000, 5,000 into the chat will be entered to win a Lucid. This is a 50K Lucid Flex account, 100% off, 100% free for the Wolfpack. Run it up. Look at those 5,000s. Let's go. Already over 80 of you entered to win this one. Run it up. Run it up. I can't even see my restream anymore. There's over 100 people. Keep those 5,000s going. Get in there. You get about 20 seconds. And if you've already put it in there, just put it in there again. Run up the chat. Run up the chat.
Look at that chat. Yes.
And we gave away just absolute bangers today. Casey came in with that Amazon trade.
Let's go.
I found this little lucid.
We got
loophole
Palantir,
trade.
I watched-
NVIDIA,
I
Amazon.
watched his
Nvidia.
Faces crew through a beautiful long today as well.
Let's go.
I nailed
He
a
had great
short
turn.
on NQ. I've been short oil since the open. Just what a day. All right. There's over 100, 121, 122. Okay, I am running it right now. Let's choose a winner. Let's choose a winner. Let's choose a winner. Winner, 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 winner. Lenny's vids. Lenny's vids. Let's go, Lenny. Lenny been in the chat a lot lately too. Lenny. Congratulations. 50K Lucid Flex account is coming your way. Please type in your X username, your @ or whatever on X, so I can DM you a code. Free Lucid Trading 50K Lucid Flex account coming your way in a matter of moments. Drop that username in there and we'll give it a few minutes. I'm going to give away another account. Oh, don't go anywhere, guys. Big congrats to W's in the chat. Look at that. Wolfpack celebrating each other. That's what we're all about. That's what we're all about, guys. Celebrate each other.
NVIDIA new high update.
Double check this. Notes by Lenny. All right, Lenny, you're gonna have to send me a DM. Your DMs are not open. At Wolf Ryan. Pretty simple at. Go send me a DM right now. Because your DMs are closed. I cannot DM you on X. DM Wolf Ryan. Follow me while you're there. I know you're not.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at your weekly.
Where's he at? Where's he at? Notes by Lenny. Let me know when you've sent that, Lenny. And look at this bounce right off the 21. Right off the 21 on NQ. Right off
alert.
of it.
That's got an alert on NVIDIA. If you didn't trim before, this is at town, Utah. Make sure you lock something in right here. Let me go pull it up. Oh, yeah. I'm trimming. I'm trimming NVIDIA here. What do you mean? Yeah.
Are you going to say hi to everyone? Hold
Phil,
on.
288.
Hold on. Where is it's right here. There.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
He said hello.
What's up?
Hello.
Hold on. You want to hear? Here, let me take my headphone out so you can hear him.
Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
he said hello back.
Hello, buddy. Hola, mi amigo.
Is that all you're going to say?
Hello.
You have to say, how are you?
How are you?
Bien.
Oh, hijo.
Dijo qué? Dijo
Bien
bien?
en español.
Yeah.
That's all I know, bud. Sorry. Oh, what's up, stud? Can you do the waza?
He's gone. He's gone. Come on, push this thing. Push this thing. Lenny, did you send me that DM me? Okay, hold on, let me refresh over here.
Oh, they halted LCDL. Oh, they caught on to us, chat. Oh shit. Ooh, volatility. SPY. Qs. Ooh. Volume pouring in.
A headline?
It kind of seems like it. I'm trying to see if
There we
any
go, I got
Max
money.
7 is getting anything. Not seeing anything on Max 7s.
Yeah, I didn't hear anything. No True Social.
It had a spike in volume.
Oil popping a little bit.
Iran deputy's foreign minister says we currently have no commitments when it comes to Islamabad with U.S. Lucid also just got unhalted. Oh, they're gonna stop out the rest of my fucking Amazons. Come on, we want some mo. We want some mo. We want some mo. Don't take out the wrist. Don't you do it. LCDL about to open up at 40 cents? Dude, I fucking hope so. Just give me
There we
like
go.
37. Oh, they're saying Lucid just popped, but LCDL is still halted. Let me see. Let me check. Oh, Lucid! Come on,
Dude, so where does this go when it opens?
I know. Come on. Wait, it's probably at least a 5-minute halt. Lucid
Oh,
just
that is a
gapped up when
huge pop up,
Come
too.
on. Fucking open it. 10 seconds? What? How do you know? I hope you're right. Open up this shit, daddy. Come on.
This does look like it wants to try to roll over here.
Come on. Unhold this thing. 5 minutes is up. Oh. It's going to be a 10-minute halt.
Reminder, if you're behind on the stream, click that live button. Dude, I can't wait till this opens back up. We gotta go to the 1 minute chart.
Dude. As long as Lucid's still holding up. Come on. Open this shit. There's no way I'm getting 100% on these. Oh, volume pouring in still downside. SPY, Qs.
Yeah, we just hit orb high opening print high again here.
Come on, open the casino.
Yeah, oil's pumping here too. There's got to be another headline. Gold just dumped hard.
Oh, they took out the rest of my Amazons at entry. And the video's getting a spike on some 230 calls.
Ooh, IWM's trying to roll. They're buying.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
QQQ just held 720 area. All the positioning still above us. That's what's interesting here. Maybe this is the long. I don't really like it though, because it just rolled
It's
straight.
because it's halted, Techwood. You can't buy it when it's halted.
I saw that one too, Frosty Dog, but I don't think that was enough.
Tell you what, if LCDL opens up and I'm up 100%, I'm going to kiss Ryan right on his beautiful bald head of the NASDAQ podium, and it's going to go on the Jumbotron.
Yeah. I'm down.
All right, 45 seconds. Let's see if they do it. 8:14.
All right, all the orders above us are
Expiration.
gone now. And it's about even above and below.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! They're still holding it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
How long would it
0.
halt? 35.
Oh, it's going to be another 5-minute candle now. Oh.
It halted at 235.
Yep, and it didn't open up at 40 or 45, so now we got to wait till 250.
Dude, what if they halt it until the market? Oh, wait, no, we still have an hour. Okay.
Is Lucid still holding up after it popped up? Yeah, it's going even higher. Come on. This is bullshit.
I like NQ long here again. At least back to the EMAs, right? All right, I gotta flip off of it. Keep me posted when that thing reopens. This could be a 15-minute sell signal, though. Yeah, it kind of is on ES, actually. All the orders that were above us got pulled on everything.
Buckets.
I mean, there's still some orders up there, but
Is anyone interested in having kids?
you got a couple to give away.
Yeah, like right now, I'm doing a freaking 2 for 3 special. Like,
2 for 3?
dude, just buy 2, get the third one free. Come pick them up. Be out on the curb with a sign. Free pickup.
You say just out at the curb.
A little free sign.
It's like Facebook, like on Facebook
Yeah.
Marketplace, or like must pick up.
No refunds. Hell no. No refunds, no exchanges, no nothing. Michelle, you can take them. You can come pick them up. Better, you know what? I'll ship them.
Bell said, Casey is somewhat serious.
Priority 1, overnight shipping.
Throw in the Corvette. We got a deal. Honestly, that would probably be a break-even trade.
Oh, it probably would
Over
be.
the long term, it wouldn't. Over the long term, it would be worth a bunch of Corvettes. Kids are expensive, man.
Wait till they're teenagers? I know, Robert. Why do you think I just had that extra driveway port?
Yeah.
Basketball hoop, and then cars. In like 15 years. Well, Everly's gonna need a car in like 11.
I don't know. This has got more of a rollover look to it. The 15. Look, you see the 15-minute, Casey?
On Spy.
Spy.
Yeah.
It's right on IB high. 30-minute too. It's got 10 minutes left on NQ.
10 seconds. See if they open up this thing. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, it's still closed.
This late in the day, I'm thinking you almost have to think it's going to roll over back to the middle.
Pieces of shit. Dude.
So I don't even want to think about what my daughter as a teenager is going to be like. Because I already know her mother.
Yeah, Macy's gonna be my troublemaker. I think she's gonna be the one that will she'll fight boys.
Yeah, fight them.
Everly's gonna be a freaking princess, but hopefully she's gonna be an athlete because she's probably gonna be like close to 6 foot, maybe like 5'11", close to 6.
10 minutes, top of the hour, power hour. I'm giving away that other account. I feel like I don't think this rolls over.
I think you could probably.
It
anything,
might
you
roll
could-
over, but
Risk reward right here, back testing on Qs. A bad spot to look for a long. I think that's your orb high retest.
IB high too. IB or high both.
Yeah, I mean, not a bad spot to long scalp it after that little dip.
Yeah, the only thing I don't like is this 15 minutes printing a sell signal.
Nvidia's holding up, Tesla's doing nothing, Google's holding up, Apple's whatever, Amazon hit target, sold back down, Microsoft is selling down, Meta is also selling down a little bit. So you got a mixed bag still with tech. Nothing really standing out too much. Ondas is ripping. Nokia, $12 calls, 8/21/2026 expiration, multiple orders coming in so far. They're buying them at $1. Lots of 100 over and over again, up to 3 million on the ask.
There we go. Pretty decent little bounce here.
Stock is chilling at low of day. So 12 for 820.
All the positioning still above us. That makes me still lean long.
Look at this little bouncy bounce.
It's Taco Tuesday.
Oh,
Fire breakfast tacos earlier.
it is Taco Tuesday. I'm not having tacos though.
Well, somebody brought up bull earlier. I don't think this thing's ready. I think this is going to get smacked at this 200 day.
I gotta go prep these steaks.
Yeah, I think this could reject right here again. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't, but because this is a recent IPO, I just don't think this is a long enough base. I think it's got to do this like this thing for a while. Maybe next year you get all these EMAs to flatten out and do this, then I'd be interested on bull. Thoughts on T? I don't like T from a charting perspective. I mean, could it get an oversold bounce down here? Back into this area? Yeah, I don't like what this chart looks like right now.
All right, 5 seconds. Let's see. Nothing.
Open it up. Do it for the
Fuck.
people.
My goodness, we're gonna go on a half-hour halt.
Sorry, I had the book map still pulled up.
Did Nvidia just make a new high of day?
I don't like what T's doing. This doesn't look very good to me. Look on this weekly. This like trend line you had got broken. Now it could back test that and then just be a short.
All right, I gotta go prep these steaks real quick. Holler if LCDL opens up.
I will. I also don't think man, this is tough. I don't think I can be in a trade here either direction because I can make the argument for both ways here. The 15-minute looks like a short. But the positioning and everything,
I'll be back.
they're starting to clear out. Could just like chop here at 720 on Qs. 720 QQQ, sorry. Am I not watching the semifinal? Of course I'm watching the semifinal. What kind of question is that? This kind of looks like the same short I took earlier. Look, Spy and ES now a little bit stronger than NQ. And I'm just letting you guys know I'm not watching all my other screen is fully on World Cup semifinal. 1 minute. I'm gonna give away another round of account or another an account. World Cup just kicked off. "15 minutes holding down here." I think NQ's got a chance to roll. You're gonna get 800 and 782, maybe 750. Try the short. Then I'll give away that account. Uncle Alert, what's up? Let's go. Come on, rug it, rug it, rug it. Appreciate that, Alan. Shout out to Alan. We have to get Alan on the stream one of these days. Good futures trader. I've listened to him several times on the spaces in the morning. What happened to Jordan? We lost Jordan. All right. If you want to de-risk a short, right here is a good spot, but I think you're going to get 780s and the 750s. I like the rollover look. They pulled all those orders, all that liquidity overhead. They're starting to toss it below us. Yeah, 780 is where they're sitting next. Come on, rug it, rug it. I'm getting the giveaway set up here at the same time, guys. Get Jordan back just in time for the giveaway.
Yeah, sorry, I had to film this voiceover for
Oh, you're good. I figured you
one of the trades.
Jordan, give me a number range here.
How many people we have in it? 337.
Make it 300 wide then.
Let's go 1,200 to 1,500.
1,200 to 1,500.
Mm-hmm.
All right, you heard the
Don't know
man.
why.
1,200 to
His numbers
1,500,
spoke to
random
me.
number. Hope you're live. You better start dropping numbers in the chat right now. 1,200 to 1,500 is the range. A random number in between that range gets a 25K account this time. Oh my God. Turd Butts already nailed it.
Rugged.
Wait, what? That's it?
Turd Butts nailed it.
Turd Butts. First guess. Let's go, brother.
It was first guess. 1,300. 1,300.
Wow. There you go.
Good for
Oh,
Turd
good.
Butts.
Good.
I already know your ex. I've got you.
Order filled.
I just DM'd you, Turd Butts. Rugged Frankie. Rugged Frankie.
Come on, let's roll.
Guys, I'm feeling generous today. We hit 5,000 subscribers. I'm going to give away one more here in just a little bit.
I'm short a nice amount. Come on, rugged 40 points.
I've got a trim at 782 and a trim at 755. And if we want to just crush all the way to VWAP, I will let that happen. There's not a whole lot. Looks like there's 20 lots sitting at like 714.
Filled.
See if we can get down here and clear these guys out. Right here at 780. And I'm going to put my stop just above that
Come on,
817 in
SPX,
profit.
Rugged. Rugged all.
All right.
What the hell was that? Still halted.
Wow, Amazon. Wow. Came back to the same spot on the chart. Oh.
Oof, Apple's pushing too. Google new high. I don't know if I love this short.
Order filled.
I can't take it again. I was going. I missed
Broadcom's
it.
rugging though.
Order filled.
Ugh.
It's in queue this 15-minute breaking down. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Look at the selling. Look at the selling.
There you go.
There's the trim. There's the next trim.
Oh my God, Amazon. Piece of shit. I only just sat back down.
I'm trying to stop here. Dude, this book map thing is amazing. Vamos España.
Oh, new high of day. Wow.
Yeah, that's the reason I was like, I need that trim, and then I'm tightening up stop because I was looking at a bunch of names starting to rip.
Mother.
Yep. I'm gonna. Ooh, do I want to stop out here? Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I'm flat.
All right, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
It was a winner, but
It may keep going. I'm good. I am going to do another giveaway, guys. IBM pre-released earnings, and they were not good. Shout out to Turd Butts, man. Seen that guy. That guy's been around for a while.
Google new high day as well.
I'm not reversing. I do not. I think it's still a short. I'm just going to play it safe here because I'm up really big on the day. And I'm looking at multiple.
Gosh dang it.
I mean, Bookmap still tells me we're coming lower. Look at all that. Look at all these liquidity bands that just popped up here below. Yeah. But yeah, this is about to. I think I like yes better here actually for about a 6-point drop.
You got a sell signal on SPY at 3 o'clock on a 5-minute.
Look at the 30-minute sell signal on NQ.
Filled.
That could play out nicely actually.
Probably gonna move down to 719.2.
I
On
just could
Fuse.
see SPX
Order
just getting
filled.
stuck. Yeah, don't shorten the hole.
Order filled.
I don't know. As soon as Casey mentioned Amazon, I started looking at those multiple. I mean, Broadcom was coming in, but Nvidia's still way up here. Apple was pushing a little bit.
Order filled.
Google's making new highs. Broadcom is getting rugged though. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
This like hits 815 and rejects. Maybe think about it. I don't know. ES looks like it's about to roll though.
MES does look like a short.
That's what I was just looking at. Here, let me pull up that book map. Nothing too crazy here. That was a good out. Frank, what are you up to? But I called out that 780 target.
Check the Discord.
Oh. What'd you put on those? Those are my favorite too. New York strip.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I don't know why New York strip's just always been my favorite.
I had a Wagyu New York strip last night. It was
The best.
immaculate.
man.
It was
The
immaculate.
best. It's probably my favorite cut.
It was from
of a-
Gelson's. If you know Gelson's, oh my gosh, delicious.
Yeah, that's probably my favorite cut of a Wagyu steak is the strip.
Yeah, I don't know why New York strip is just my favorite cut. That and arrachera, which is like flank steak, I think in English. Gold getting a bounce. Yeah. Internal's bouncing a bit too there. Right here, if you wanted to push your luck, this is your backtest EMAs and IV high. This is what I call demon time. You just caught a nice short. 40 plus points, almost 50 points. Demon time. Put in a pretty decent wick on that 10 minute or that 15 minute. And yes, is still above. Dude, France looks so good when they're flying around. Está por ahí. Jordan.
Yes, sir.
I just tagged you in a Discord channel.
Okay.
All right, I'm all out. I bought the piss out of that. Sold it real quick. I gotta slow down.
Did you find it, Jordan?
BX.
No, it's a little difficult because I have every notification off except for the one room I'm in. So
Okay, I'll just tell you.
yeah, or maybe like text me the link to the room.
Oh, here, I can copy this link to you.
I got it.
All right, read that above.
Oh, come on now. It's been a quiet afternoon. I'm glad I left for an hour.
Oh, this is all I'm
Let's
gonna
just
say.
try
Nice.
something out here. Nice. Let's try something here. First person somebody in the chat, if you've never tried My Funded Futures, if you've never tried it, first person to say something, I'm going to give you an account. First person.
Who can do it? Let's see.
First person that hasn't tried My Funded Futures.
Roman.
Roman's
First chat I saw.
Roman, shoot me a DM. Oh,
Roman
penalty
fast
for
for hand.
Spain. Roman, what's your
Hello. I will say My Funded Futures is great. I've gotten every single payout I've ever requested. It comes very fast. I've used them for a long time. I've also used their live accounts. Their live accounts are solid. All the above. My Funded Futures is great. Highly recommend. They're not like, I don't know. I feel like
hold on.
not as many.
Roman,
people are
what's
spending
your
on their free to play, but
what's your at?
yeah, what's your X at?
Tidal
I
wave?
think they're solid though. I prefer end of day drawdown.
Can you send me a DM? Roman?
He said tidal wave.
1 HP, send me a DM.
Oh, there it is. Tidal wave 35, 15, 46.
Option Surfer, send me a DM. I'm giving 3 of these out.
Bang.
We hit 50K today.
School. I mean, like, I don't mind trading with the trailing drawdown. You just have to be a little bit more aware of it. I'd rather trade end of day, of course. Like, if you give me a choice, you know what I mean? Probably gonna go end of day.
Option
Trailing is
Surfer
just, like,
and
more
one
to
one
worry about.
HP. 1 HP, send me a DM. It's just gonna be easier.
50K? I think that meant 5K.
No,
on
I
the
didn't.
channel.
No, I'm giving away 50K rapid
Account.
eval.
Yeah.
We hit 5,000
We have
subscribers.
5,000 on the YouTube.
Gol. Vamos, España, vamos. Spain and France are playing right now. Spain 1-0, 22nd, 23rd minute now. They just they had a penalty. Clear penalty too, not even a question. 1 HP, Wolf. Wolf Ryan, shoot me a DM. I've got the third one for you. Is this oh, I think I've got you here. 1 HP, can you confirm like something that lets me know that this is you? There it is. Yep, that'll work perfectly. Perfect. All right, that's 3 people that just got 50K accounts for My Funded.
Let's go, crew.
There we go. That's 5 accounts given away already. Yep, I saw it. Pause dehydrate. Oh, is this a pause dehydration? Hold on. Hydration break. See. I was gonna make a michelada, but that was gonna take too much time. I wanted to get on Spain, but I just didn't. Boy, that was a good out. Good out. LCDL not opening back up today. Damn, shout out My Funded Futures. Code Wolf, of course. Get you the best discount. We'll always keep you updated on whatever the promotions are when we see them. But Code Wolf at any prop firm, including Take Profit Trader.
Amazon new highs.
Ooh, sellers are coming right back. My headphone died. Dang it. Oh, Tommy with the soccer trophy? That's sick.
Order filled.
Clear penalty.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oof. Oof. Yes.
Nice, Frankie.
Oh, that was good. I'm actually out on that. Just wanted to get some more. Sox is collapsing. Not collapsing, but it's down 20, 70, 60, down 5 points in a short period of time.
God, they are trying to hold this thing so hard right here.
Yeah.
U.S. military something? Bloomberg just had some kind of headline about the U.S. military. It didn't sound good. The strikes are taking place as American forces prepare to resume the naval blockade. At 3 p.m. Eastern today, U.S. forces began launching additional strikes against Iran to continue degrading Iranian capabilities used to attack commercial shipping. U.S. military launching more strikes against Iran. That's coming from CENTCOM right now.
No, ya súbelos a tu cuarto. No quiero peluches acá abajo.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
En vez de pizza, ¿quieres que
Order filled. Order filled.
Boom, let's go. Made a quick 130 on that new eval and locked the account for the day. I like that.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ay, ay, ay.
You know, in 30 seconds, it's going to be an hour that LCDL's been closed. This is nuts.
It's rough.
Dude, freaking open this shit. EMP said it, but they might halt it until market closes.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. I was like, it may not reopen today.
What's that? What stock?
LCDL.
Leveraged Lucid. Ooh, oil's back to 80. MBIS looks like a short. Oh. Yeah, this looks like a short on Nebius. Casey, what do you think?
Yes.
Rejected basically the 50-day, the downsloping 9.
Dude,
the point of control.
someone bought $5 million worth of calls like 2 hours ago. And that dude's probably cooked.
This 220 level, I mean, maybe it holds here, but this 220 rejection, 3 bar down, bearish engulfing. If it loses 192, this thing's going to 160s. Maybe you get saved at 178.
Amazon 15-minute squeeze fired. Upside, obviously new highs. Now you're waiting on a 30-minute. It's been bullish since 1.
SKYH up 25%. Oh, check out the 2x leverage, SKHX. It's up double ish. Let me actually see what it's up. Now SKYH is up 13%. The 2x is up like 25. We love that. Hell yeah.
All right. Yeah, how's our SKHX doing?
They're all ripping. They're all flying.
If you just bought this at the open today, you're up 21%. Shout out to leverage shares on that one.
Ay, luego ayer en la noche, ¿no? El Nini se nos vomitó.
Cowboys.
Le acababa de dar el antibiótico. ¿Te vomitó? Pero ya no le di más porque pues...
I don't know when options are going to go live. Shout out to leverage shares for getting the leverage side going for people, creating those opportunities for traders. That's what it's all about. Once again, we're just wanting to put stuff on your radar. We're not telling you to go in and buy 2x leverage ETFs. Make sure you do some type of research, know what you're doing, know what you're getting into. Don't just randomly buy stuff. They're not long-term holds. They are trading tools.
Como playera de manga corta. No body.
I usually just throw it on my watch list and watch it for the next, like, for the first week, you know?
We got about 6-7 minutes until MOC.
Damn, MOC came fast.
Dude, what a day. What's the code Wolf discount for Bookmap? I don't remember.
Yeah, it's still in the works.
I'm still working on getting set it up. I believe it's like off of your first month or something.
Side by side.
Let me double check and see. Oh yeah, we still gotta get the yeah, still waiting. Yeah, I'm still waiting to get the affiliate paperwork done there. SPX, the 75,550, and once again, if you look, this was the constant gamma level that was set here all day and didn't really move. There was positioning above us. We dipped into a couple times. There was nothing ever that really popped up below us on bull flow here. And then 720, as mentioned, on QQQ. It's the main spot right here where we're just kind of gravitating to those levels, those whole numbers. Iran's Garababadi, foreign minister. Iran's return to negotiations and flexibility regarding the Strait of Hormuz are possible. Whatever that means. I think there's an NFP level right here on SPY too that's just been, oh, it's a little below us. But look at this 15-minute chart. Never could get back under IB here. Never even closed the candle down here. Pretty good sign that doesn't really want to roll over. In Q, on the other hand, a little bit. SMH on yesterday's high, double bounce now. Ooh, SpaceX, we're almost to our target. Jorge says, hey Ryan, how are you? I want to, first off, I'm good. Thanks for asking. I want to start trading futures. How did you learn it? Any advertisements? I appreciate your help. So it depends like how much of a trading kind of foundation background that you have so far. If you've traded equities or even options, if you've learned to read charts or price action a little bit, futures isn't going to be, if anything, futures is pretty straightforward. You have to learn, you know, kind of the tick and point values, the sizing a little bit as you figure things out. I definitely recommend a prop firm so you don't risk your own money as you're learning. And honestly, I would study price action first. If it was just me, I would study price action first. Start learning, you know, what the candles are telling you, support and resistance, you know, trends, market structure. I would start, you know, look for resources to learn those things, and then from there start adding in, you know, piece by piece on top of that. So I'm not sure, once again, I'm not sure what your background is or your baseline is, but price action, market structure, I mean, that stuff's going to apply to anything. Even if you're an investor, that stuff's going to apply. So I would definitely, kind of start there. Yeah, show up here as much as you can. I mean, YouTube, look, guys, YouTube has so much free educational just content all around. We're hoping to build into being able to have a lot more on our channel as well. But, I try to walk through stuff from, it's try to, ooh. Is that MOC right there? That is MOC, sorry.
Yeah.
Snuck up on me.
Let's see the total. We have tomorrow, Fed speaker right at open. Wait, is it at open? No, we have Fed speaker at 8:45 Eastern in the morning. Fed speaker at 10. We're testifying again.
Is Casey wearing khakis?
I'm gonna be up early in pre-market, looking to see if there's any trades in London, since we have a bunch of Fed speakers at open, or like in the morning.
Just started day trading equities this year. You have 4 months doing it. Okay, so equities and futures are going to be pretty similar because you're just trading linear moves. The only thing is with futures, just based on like the amount, like futures are just leveraged versions of the indices. So SPX, INDX, or SPY, QQQ. It's just leveraged versions of those. Obviously, there's gold, there's oil, there's so many other things too. But for NQ and ES, which is mostly what we trade around here, when it's probably the most popular ones, it's just you're trading linear. You're not worried about the time value as much, and you're mostly day trading. You can swing trade some. You're not going to be able to do that on prop firms. You're going to have to do that with your own money. There's only one prop firm I know of that offers that. But what I would say is, as you're, just like you're doing with equities, you need to learn support and resistance. You need to learn, market structure, price action, what are the candles telling you? And then, build that baseline, ingest as much content as possible, spend as much time on the screens as you can. If you have a job, other things, like, yes, absolutely. But put yourself in front of the charts. Even if you're not trading them, put yourself in front of the charts and start to learn and get a feel for it. And it takes repetition, it takes practice, it takes patience, and you got to learn some of the basics there. And then with futures, you'll start to learn like how to time your entries, and you'll learn some sizing and some stuff like there. I mean, I would start out really small. You get a prop firm, trade like 1 micro at first, just getting the feel for it and seeing, how it moves, how fast it can move, different times of day, how different times of day can be more volatile than others. And then start there and just start building. Keep learning. You'll never stop learning. Frank's been in this game for longer than most of us have probably even been alive. I mean, Frank started as a teenager way back in the day, worked on, on Wall Street. Frank's still learning stuff day after day. He's still refining things. He's still, having to go back and, he'll catch himself on stuff. It's just like an athlete, you have to train basically. You have to always be, staying in shape with what's going on. So yeah, put in the work, be patient, don't oversize, don't get overconfident.
Amazon.
Little by little. Casey, are you wearing khakis?
No, dude, I'm wearing Echo sweatpants.
One option is
Oh.
Echo?
on X-season.
God.
Dude, whenever I say KC, my phone thinks I'm saying Siri.
Amazon
I don't know why it does that.
new high update.
De nada, Jorge. Espero que estés bien y que te vayas súper bien. Ten mucha paciencia. Y échale ganas, compa.
See. Bro, LCDL really not gonna open.
Dean of Dividends, thanks for being here every day.
Piece of shit.
I know there are a lot of you that are hanging out, maybe you're not active in the chat. Chat is pretty active, but I know there's a lot of you that maybe you're not active in the chat, or you're working, you've got other stuff going on, but you listen in. We appreciate you being here each and every day. Hopefully we bring value to you, maybe a little bit of entertainment value on top of the market stuff.
Pre-market highs on Amazon.
We got halftime in the World Cup here. There you go. Half Pint says he listens every day while working. Dude, I love the fact that KC just said he had Echo sweatpants on like that. That might be. Bro been shopping at Kohl's.
Burlington.
Oh, there you go, Burlington.
I got
That's the other one.
I got a matching hoodie with it too. I got
You
the
have a
whole fit.
Get the whole dude. You know what? Now that I'm like at this age, I don't care. I like the like full kit or whatever, you know, like the full outfit.
Yeah.
The sweatpants is the top or whatever, even if it's one of those like short sleeve with the sweat shorts, whatever.
Yeah, dude. I got the sweatpants and the hoodie at Burlington. I think I paid like $30. Fucking steal. Amazon got some volume. Daniel said SpaceX is almost at 135 right now.
The MOC was probably the smallest MOC I've seen. 5 million.
Oh, Imperator! SpaceX SPCQ.
We're $1 away from the target.
I'm up 99%.
Yeah, I'm up over 100. I'm 135. We hit 135. I'm taking my trim.
I know if it gets there, I'll be up. I should be up like right at
Alan Watch said no FUBU. Little South Pole. You got the South Pole. Oh, I have to get me a South Pole. I want a short sleeve sweatshirt with the sweatpants matching from South Pole. Rooster, this is not bad news that we still haven't broken out of the wedge. We've literally had 0 catalysts to take us out of the wedge.
Bad news.
We've been waiting on earnings.
Bad
season.
news, bear.
Earnings season literally started this morning.
Bro, I think Microsoft's gonna rip.
I think so too.
Off them lows, I mean, it just can't go back to that low we just made.
Bro,
Honestly, on the daily. But like, as
Casey
long as
about
we're
to
holding
take
that, man, I think cooking.
He's about to take a new profile pic from MySpace.
Hey, you're gonna go to MySpace. It's gonna be Casey's got his new profile picture, and you know how it plays a song when you like join in. It's gonna be Candy Shop by 50 Cent.
Oh
Dude,
my
mine was Lollipop by Lil Wayne.
Oh, you had MySpace way later than I did.
Yeah, I had Cristiano Ronaldo like themed in the background, Manchester United.
Dude, my profile picture was Ronaldinho at one point when he
Let's
was at
go.
Barcelona.
You guys have a MySpace? Not anymore.
Okay, so I guess I'm swinging LCDL.
I don't know what else you can do.
I don't have a choice. The
Oh, you
market's
can't
not-
exit it.
It's not open.
I have no choice but to swing this position.
Swing that shit, right?
They said, fuck it, I'm up 55%. I'd imagine I'm up over 100 with Lucid, nice recovery. I mean,
It's kind of promising that Lucid recovered.
50%. Yeah, it gapped up 50% when LCDL halted. So I don't know. Maybe we'll wake up tomorrow up 200% and I owe Emp a steak.
And if not, you should have trimmed either way. So
I did.
What if they just never open again?
They just delist it
Just delist
overnight. Yeah.
if they do list it, they have to give you something back.
Yeah.
It's an ETF. They don't just keep
Oh,
it.
you'll
in.
get something. No, you'll get. No matter
How long are they allowed to halt a stock?
what.
I don't know. An ETF volatility halt may be a whole different thing.
I think it also
Yeah.
there's different types of halts, and this is not like your normal intraday halt.
Do you guys have
like
Zynga?
5-minute halt. Zynga.
I remember Zynga. It was like when I
I
first.
don't think
yeah,
I
it was like
remember Zynga.
I had a
Oh.
friend that had it, but I didn't ever sign up on it because I didn't know anybody that had it.
Yeah, I never used that one.
It says that market-wide circuit breakers on severe moves can do at least 15 minutes to the remainder of the said trading day, and then potential SEC suspension could be up to 10 trading days if they suspect that there's manipulation within the stock.
Gotcha.
So I'm going to take a
there's
guess.
different like level halts.
I'm going to say it's probably the 15 minutes to remainder of the trading day. So maybe between now and later tonight, it might open up, but
Yeah, no, this isn't an SEC investigation, so.
yeah.
Who knows? Maybe tomorrow. Well,
Either-
Lucid. So Lucid, the fact that Lucid did like deny the news and it pretty much recovered.
It's good.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully,
And it was-
I'm on
There's a
Webull,
reason
so
why I said
I
if you want to be
can.
super degen,
Let me see. I can sell. I don't know about other brokers, but until 8 p.m. Eastern, if it opens up. After 8 p.m., you gotta wait till tomorrow. So I'll set an alert at 36 for 100%, and I'll put it back down at 18 and wait for an alert to go off. We'll see. Amp will be the first one to know if I get like a 200% move on this thing.
all right, there was our close. Snuck up on me. I didn't even ring the bell. What a day!
Great day.
I
Great
heard
day.
it,
The best day. CPI. Tomorrow PPI.
What do we make today?
I'm gonna be up at like 2 a.m. Eastern, trading London if there's anything spicy. So
We're up almost 1100 on the day. Slow day.
should I just
But-
go live on the account at like 2 a.m. Just trade London real quick. Go to sleep.
Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi is dead.
I'm the number
He's
one on
dead.
TikTok. I'm bigger than Taylor Swift.
He died like a
That
dog.
was a real quote. So was that. Both of those are real quotes.
You won't do it, Jordan? Maybe. Maybe you just see me spark up the live at 2 in the morning.
Whoa.
I don't know. I might just trade London for a quick minute. If not, I'll record the trade, I think, at least on OBS, and I'll post it.
All right, guys. Big shout out to title sponsor Leverage Shares. SKHX is at 2x long. SK Hynix Daily ETF. And then SKHZ if you want to go to the short side. 1x on the short side there. And boy, these kids are going to calm down. Don't forget the Wolf Summit. We're just under 3 weeks away. I saw the merch was starting to show up. So that got me excited today as well. We'll see you guys there. Will picked up his plane flight earlier. He's coming in. He's going to see us, hang out with us there at the event. And I know several of you are signed up, so happy to see you guys there as well. They're playing hide and seek right here. Thank God the stream's over. All right, guys. Let me tell you, the City Rooster, what an asshole. I don't like this guy. He is a complete tool, horn dog. That we do have in common, but I will say he says a lot of nonsense, a lot of late trade callouts, but he's here every day and we enjoy his company. Thanks for being here. Even the
I love
Democrats, the
Rooster.
leftists, they can't stay away. They have to be here.
Yes. Oh, goodness.
Was that close? I didn't read it word for word, Rooster. I knew what you wanted me to say. So shout out to Rooster. What a good sport. Kind of a dick at times, but good sport. We like it.
Good
All right,
sport.
guys. Shout out KC, Jordan, Frank.
We love you. We'll see you tomorrow.
What an amazing day. We'll do it again tomorrow. That's the best part about this. We have amazing days. We just get to turn around and do it again tomorrow.
And we get to go to work in our sweatpants
Yeah.
every day. Like, dude,
I made half of my money last night at the pediatrician and at the grocery store.
Let's go, Jordan. Gray sweatpants, boy. There you go. Look at that. I mean, I've gone to work in my pajamas for
Every
like
day.
2.5 years now. It's fantastic.
Every day.
Wait,
I
got
love when I go out to eat and I'm in sweatpants and t-shirt like
the
this.
sweat. You got the
And I'm like
sweat
hitting
shorts,
some
though?
quick grub and
You
I'm
got
like
the
on the
sweat-
phone with you guys or I'm like on like Twitter. Someone's like, what
Get
do
the
you
sweat
do?
shorts for summertime?
Oh yeah, I'm about to go
What do
switch
you do?
into those.
I
'cause
lounge
We're
in
about to
my
go on a golf cart
sweatpants with
ride.
the boys. That's what
I'm a
we
big
do.
sweat shorts guy.
Yeah.
Sweat shorts.
love
I
them.
could vibe with them if it's.
Oh,
too
dude,
hot.
they're
Yeah,
they're
vibe.
great. In the summertime, you throw those on with a pair of flip flops.
No.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait. What do you think?
There you go. There you go.
With the socks, sir.
Yeah.
We do socks and slides around here.
Yeah, dude, so comfortable.
All right, y'all.
So comfortable.
I'm shutting it down.
All right.
Or else we'll never leave. We love y'all.
Later,
See you tomorrow.
guys.